Hello, this is Stephanie Kirk. In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a custom Google Classroom header. So I'm in Google Draw. The first thing you want to do is go to File, and then you're just going to scroll down to Page Setup. We want to change it from Standard down to Custom, and we're going to make it the pixels because that's what our error message tells us it needs to be, is 800 by 200. When you click Apply, it's going to change the screen. From here, you're ready to do anything you want to do before you save it as an image. So for quick, I'm going to go into Image. I'm going to search the web and just add this one right here. I want to make it be the same size. And then I'll crop it down to kind of fit. I'm going to crop it from both sides because I like this one on the top and on the bottom. Just kind of bring it up and make sure I can see that it is where it needs to go. Once I have my background set, I'm going to add an image. I love Bitmoji, so I'm just going to come up here. You can see I've installed the Chrome extension. So I'm going to click it, and it's going to show you some of the ones I've used recently. So I'm going to go over here to Knowledge is Power. It tells me how to do it. And I'm just going to drop this in my image. How cute is this? From here, I'm going to add a little text box. Personalized classroom headers. A tutorial. And then change my font to whatever I want it to be. I'm going to put it right in the center, make it bold so it stands out a little bit. So from here, once I have everything set the way I want it to be, I'm just going to go back up here to File. I'm going to click Download As. PNG is going to be what we're going to do. So once you download it as the PNG, you'll be able to see that image file, and you'll just select it and upload that photo. Again, this is Stephanie Kirk. Anything at all, contact me. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you, and have a great summer.